The connection between modern life and fatigue. In today's world, fatigue has become a common issue due to the demands of modern life. While technology has made life more convenient, mental fatigue and chronic fatigue have become more prevalent than ever. One major cause is the constant exposure to digital screens and information, which doesn't give our brains enough time to rest. The line between work and personal time is also more blurred now, with remote work, which can lead to accumulating stress. Diet also plays a big role in this. Today's processed and fast foods tend to be less nutritious, leaving the body feeling fatigued and making recovery slower. To combat this, adopting healthier eating habits and being mindful of daily routines can help us avoid feeling drained and run down. Bananas ideal for energy and muscle recovery. Bananas are a fantastic food for recovering from fatigue, largely due to their high carbohydrate content. Carbs are quickly converted to energy, providing a fast and natural boost. Bananas are also rich in potassium, which helps muscles relax and recover, making them a great option after exercise or when feeling tired. Another key nutrient in bananas is vitamin 6, which helps the body metabolize energy effectively. A good daily amount is 1 or 2 bananas, either as a morning boost or after a workout, for fast-acting energy and muscle support. Spinach is a source of iron and magnesium. Spinach is an excellent fatigue-fighting food due to its high iron content. Iron helps produce hemoglobin, which transports oxygen throughout the body, reducing fatigue. This is especially important for women, who can experience more iron deficiency. Spinach also contains magnesium, which helps muscles relax and eases mental tension, making it beneficial for both physical and mental recovery. For maximum nutritional benefit, cook spinach lightly in oil, or add a squeeze of lemon juice to enhance iron absorption. Natto rich in protein and B vitamins. Natto, a fermented soybean product, is rich in protein and B vitamins, making it ideal for repairing muscles and tissues. Natto also contains nattokinase, an enzyme that promotes healthy blood flow, which in turn helps nutrients and oxygen reach all parts of the body, reducing fatigue. Eating 1 pack of natto daily provides a steady supply of essential nutrients and enzymes that support sustained energy levels and reduce fatigue over time. Chicken breast, a lean, high-protein ally. Chicken breast is well known for its lean protein content, which is ideal for physical recovery and repairing muscles. It also contains a unique compound called imidazole dipeptide, known for its ability to combat muscle fatigue. This compound is naturally found in endurance animals, like migratory birds, and can help us manage prolonged physical strain. Cooking chicken breast by boiling or steaming keeps it juicy and easy to add to salads or soups, making it a convenient and versatile option for a busy lifestyle. Almonds, the power of fatigue-fighting nuts. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber, all of which help fight fatigue. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties that protect the body's cells from damage, while magnesium helps the body relax, easing both mental and physical fatigue. The easiest way to enjoy almonds is as a snack, with a serving of around 20 almonds per day. You can also add them to yogurt or salads for a boost of texture and energy. Amazake, the drinkable IV drip. Amazake, or Japanese sweet sake, is often called a drinkable IV drip because of its high nutritional value, including glucose, amino acids, and B vitamins. Glucose acts as an instant energy boost, while amino acids repair cells, and B vitamins support efficient energy metabolism. Amazake can be enjoyed hot or cold. In the summer, cold amazake is refreshing, while warm amazake is great in winter for staying cozy and relaxed. To preserve the nutrients, avoid overheating it. Aim for a temperature 7 take. Eggs, a perfect food for complete nutrition. Eggs are considered a complete food for their well-balanced nutrients. They provide protein for tissue repair, vitamins for energy production, and iron for oxygen transport, which helps fight fatigue. The B vitamins in eggs are particularly helpful in preventing tiredness by supporting energy metabolism. For an easy breakfast, try a boiled egg or scrambled eggs with cheese. Eggs are quick to prepare and can be enjoyed in many ways to suit your preference. Tips for preventing fatigue. To prevent fatigue, building healthy daily habits is essential. Taking short breaks throughout the day is one of the best ways to stay refreshed. A 5-minute pause every now and then helps prevent long-lasting fatigue by resetting the body and mind. Improving sleep quality is also crucial. Avoid using screens before bed, as blue light can interfere with sleep quality. Instead, consider relaxing activities like reading or taking a bath. A balanced diet is another key factor in avoiding fatigue, as it ensures a steady energy supply. Stay hydrated by drinking small amounts of water regularly throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to poor circulation and a feeling of tiredness. Lastly, incorporating light exercise, such as walking or stretching, helps improve blood flow and prevent fatigue buildup. Keeping a balanced routine of rest, nutrition, exercise, and sleep can make a big difference in overall energy levels. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.